Jerry again, author of Jesus, Faith, and Tennis. And I want to talk about listening to your receivers. I know most hams have got a lot of different kinds of receivers or audio sources, maybe some 2-meter rigs or 440 or whatever. General coverage receivers, some real nice old ham receivers, and then you've got all your modern stuff, and it's hard to use all of that because you can't. I mean, you got all these speakers and you got all this monkey business to go with. So I have a little bit of an answer to that, and that is to make a box and drop speakers into this little box sitting on top of some cloth so that they're separate, and behind that, underneath, put some cellulose or some sort of sound absorbing material, and then put a cone over top of the speakers, and then put an Electret mic to listen to those speakers, and then bring that into your audio system. And if you put it into the transceiver somehow, the audio from that would come off and on. Or you could use an extra set of contacts that are in one of the rigs or something that you usually transmit with, that will kill the audio for you, so you're not transmitting that audio while you're using your regular radio. So in an earlier video, I showed you how to make a Electret mic. I'm going to put this right in front of your face, but anyway, there's the element, and there's the one we made. And here's a cone. It's pretty crude. Just cardboard and some fuzzy cloth. And then I just stick this in here like that. And then, of course, then you got it on the inside, right? And you can make these cones, the dimensions for the flat pattern are available on the net, and you can make it as complicated as you want if you want to take the time to mess around with it. So anyway, here's the speaker arrangement that I came up with. I took them out of my kids' old boom boxes. There's 2 of them, so there's 4 speakers. So that's where they came from, and this works really good, really well. I had general coverage receiver, Radio Shack general coverage receiver, 75S3 HQ145A, and the HW16 I had to receive it there, and he hooked the FT817, the speaker output on that into this. So, and it listened, it's pretty nice. You could have them all on at the same time. It's nice for your 2-meter radios and other things for monitoring without having to have a ton of speakers. I put this bigger box and put that cone inside a box that had the cellulose fiber, and I was still going to use this, but I was going to reshape the box and put it in out of the way, because I put it underneath the bench and it was in my way. So I'll put it through the wall of the shack here and get it out of the way, and just run the speaker cables through the wall and into and bring back the Electret mic. So, but when I was underneath the table, it was fine. I really didn't hear it. I could turn the speakers up real loud and sequestered the sound, and used the Electret mic. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.